Most people think aging automatically means weaker muscles, stiff joints, and slower movement. But what if I told you your body can actually reverse those signs of aging, no matter how old you are, just by moving the right way? In this video, you'll discover 3 science-backed exercises proven to rebuild strength, restore mobility, and help your body feel young again. And if you stick with me to the end, I'll share a simple 7-day plan you can start right now to turn back the clock on your body. Let's get into it. First up, the horse stance. This isn't just a martial arts pose. It's a powerful full-body exercise that strengthens your legs, hips, and core, while improving balance and stability. Studies show that static leg holds like this improve joint health and even reduce the risk of falls as you age. Start with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Hold the position for about 30 seconds and repeat until you reach 3 minutes total a day. As you get stronger, lower yourself deeper, keep your chest tall, and aim for 3 to 5 minutes. If you're advanced, add small side-to-side shifts or gentle pulses for extra intensity, building up to 10 minutes daily. Even a few minutes a day can dramatically improve leg strength, hip mobility, and posture. Over time, you'll move with more stability and confidence in everything you do. Next, the deep squat. This isn't just an exercise, it's your body's natural resting position. But most people lose this ability over time, and with it, they lose hip mobility, ankle flexibility, and even independence. To get it back, start simple. Hold on to a door frame or place your heels on a book for support. Spend 2 to 5 minutes a day in the position. When you're ready, squat unassisted with your chest tall. Spread that time across your day until you can hold 10 to 15 minutes total. If you're advanced, explore different stances, shift side to side, and aim for 30 minutes total throughout the day. Consistent practice restores your natural movement. Sitting, standing, and getting up from the floor become effortless again. The deep squat is more than mobility, it's independence training. And finally, the plank. A strong core isn't about getting abs, it's about protecting your spine, improving posture, and keeping your balance sharp. Research shows that core stability training reduces lower back pain and boosts daily performance in older adults. Start on your forearms and toes, keep your ribs down, neck neutral, and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Gradually work your way up to a full minute. If you're advanced, add side planks or shoulder taps and build up to 3 to 5 minutes total across variations. A consistent plank routine strengthens your entire core, stabilizes your spine, and protects you from falls or injuries. You'll notice the difference every time you bend, twist, or lift. Now, a quick word on what to avoid. Don't hold your breath, breathe evenly, and stay relaxed. Don't rush progress, focus on consistency, not duration. And never push through sharp pain. Discomfort is okay, pain means you need to adjust. Here's your 7-day action plan. Day 1 and 2, focus on the horse stance, 3 minutes total each day. Day 3 and 4, add the deep squat, 5 minutes spread throughout the day. Day 5 and 6, bring in planks, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. And on day 7, combine all 3 minutes of horse stance, 5 minutes of deep squat, and 3 minutes of plank. By the end of the week, you'll feel stronger, move easier, and notice your body waking up in ways you haven't felt in years. Remember, movement doesn't just slow aging, it reverses it. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to feel young again. Your body isn't old, it's just waiting for you to move.